Good morning, this is Eric with Action Automotive Repair. How are you today? Today, we're going to teach you how to jump start a car. Unfortunately, this one has a dead battery. This one has a good battery. So we need to connect power from this car to this car. Number one, we're going to talk about jumper cables. There are many different sets of jumper cables. This is a very good set. Do not get cheap when you buy jumper cables because this is a dangerous thing to do. These are all lead acid batteries. Lead acid batteries emit a gas called hydrogen, which if you're not careful can ignite. So you want to be very careful when you're jump starting a vehicle. So first thing I want to do is I want to set this one up, and then I'll connect that one. So you want to hook it up to the good battery one first, then the bad battery one second. They're different colors. This is the ground cable and this is the power cable. So on this vehicle, I have a positive and a negative. There's a minus there and a plus there. So the plus is the red one. Never hook up your negative cable until you're absolutely sure that your other end is separated. They cannot touch. So they're not touching anything. They're on their plastic clips. So I can now hook up my ground on this side. And you always hook up your positive lead first, then your ground. Now on this one, I can see the positive over here and the negative on this side. So I hook up my positive cable here and my negative cable here. At this point, I can start this car. But being very careful not to cross these cables. All of these vehicles are computer operated. If you cross these cables, it's most likely going to take out your computer. It's that simple.